So in the previous videos, what we have done is that we have looked on how to create different kinds of variables. So here we have a variable which is as a float data type, and then we see how to use a format specifier so that we can print it to the user. So now in this video, let us see some basic the data types and their corresponding format specifiers. So we have the first basic the data types that you may frequently use is an integer, and then the size of the data type, it is 2 or 4 bytes, and then the format specifier, you can either use this one or you can use this one. And then these are the examples, and the same with the the size, it is 4, and then the format specifier, it is percentage, and then we have this f letter, and then this is an example, and then this is a double, and then the size here for the double, it is 8 bytes, and then we have this format specifier, and then we have an example of a double, and then here we got a string, and then we don't have the size in bytes here, and then we have this format specifier, and then we have a string here. We have a example of a string here, and then the last one, the data type that you may frequently use, it is a character, and then we use char for it, and then the size in bytes, it is 1, and the format specifier, it is this modular c, and then this is an example. So thank you so much for watching. That's it for this video. See you in the coming videos.